Xumo TV not working. The most common causes are Wi-Fi problems, DNS issues, and router glitches. First, ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Position your router centrally and away from obstructions. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check for channel congestion and switch to a less crowded channel. Next, try restarting your router. Unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches. Finally, if problems persist, your DNS server may be the issue. Flush your DNS cache by opening Command Prompt and entering ipconfig flush DNS, or switch to a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8 in your network settings. These steps resolve most common Xumo TV connectivity problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider these advanced tips. Ensure your router firmware is up to date. Interference from smart home devices can disrupt Wi-Fi, so try separating devices across 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. For long-term stability, monitor your network with apps like Fing. As for future trends, Xumo is increasingly using AI for predictive fixes, automatically detecting and resolving connectivity issues. Also, keep an eye out for 6G network availability in your area, promising faster and more reliable streaming. Mesh Wi-Fi systems are also becoming popular to eliminate dead zones and ensure seamless Xumo playback throughout your home. By 2030, expect more autonomous fixes via edge computing, where Xumo's servers preemptively adjust DNS or Wi-Fi settings for optimal performance.